Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be working in Tampa, Florida. We're going to be doing our first account of this new customer I just got. It's a pizza parlor called Blaze Pizza. I told you guys there's going to be some new exciting things on the channel we're going to be doing this year, so a lot of commercial work. This is going to be a monthly account, so this month I'm going to be doing it twice. The initial cleaning, which you guys are going to see, and then at the end of the month I'm going to do another cleaning because they're going to have corporate come over, so they want to look as best as possible. It's a lot of grease build up, as you can imagine, a pizza place, so a lot of grease. You know, where the employees drag the trash out, you know, high foot traffic. So we're gonna apply some degreaser to get everything cleaned up. No SH on this job, man, just degreaser. I'm gonna be using the Stampede Plus, which is a caustic degreaser. So it has sodium hydroxide in it, which is what makes it a caustic. Pretty good product. I get it from Pressure Washer Products. Same place I buy the Slow Mo from, out in Clearwater, Florida, with Lori Smith. So yeah, man, so y'all enjoy the video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, drop me a like, and make sure you leave a comment if you got any questions, man. Y'all enjoy the video, and let's go get it. All right, we're gonna apply the degreaser. We're gonna start from back here with the degreaser. Sorry, it's kind of dark. There she goes. And let that sit. After like 20 minutes, we're gonna come back and surface clean it. There's no soap in here, man. There's just degreaser looking like this. We got the storefront, the sidewalk, as well as the back, all I almost said soaked up, all degreased up. We're gonna let that sit. Right now it is about 10 after, so therefore we're gonna let that sit for another 20 minutes at the max. Come back and surface clean it. It should melt off like butter. We'll see though. Like I said, we're gonna clean it up first, come back and hit it with a straight mix, especially in the back area. The back area is definitely gonna need that straight mix. I see them LED lights, boy. Alright, see it's all wet back here. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all some light back here when I start surface cleaning it. Alright, see you guys in a minute. show you guys a little difference. See where I'm taking off. Look at that. See how dirty that is right there? How better that? Get all that funk off of there. It's gonna look great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all the front areas. I'm gonna let this dwell the longest because this is the worst part. So I'm gonna clean all this up here, rinse all that up. By then, all that be ready. I said 20 minutes. We're almost coming up on that time right now for the dwell time. All right, let's get it. almost done with the job. I just got to do the back side. I already done surface clean and rinse the front and the side of the building. Let's do a little recap and see what it looks like. So this is the front. I mean, I thought I was gonna have to do it 2 times, but it's looking pretty good, man. That Stampede Plus got all that stuff up, man. This is where I stopped at. This is dirty side. Hopefully I can get insomnia cookies. We got some good cookies, man. I mean, these things smell good, y'all. It smells so good out here. So good. But you guys can see how clean this concrete is. I won't have to do this twice. I'm gonna be coming back in like 3 weeks or so. I mean, you can tell a big difference on the sidewalks also. Looking good over here, man. This is where all the drips were earlier. Whatever drips they had over here, I don't really see them no more. But you guys know this is high traffic. This is what I don't know if you guys saw the trash bags. They drag the trash bags out of here and take them to the dumpster over here. So people walk over here all the time. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this back side that's been dwelling for at least over 30 minutes, almost 40 minutes now. Let's get it. We all finished back here. I did went ahead and use my pump up sprayer with some straight degreaser, a couple of little spots. This is my first time just doing this account, so you know I want to make it look good for him, man. So but back here it's looking real good compared to earlier. You guys saw how it looked earlier. I mean, it was super black. Matter of fact, I can show you right next door how black it was. It was black as this. You can see where I stopped at. But I just spray all these little spots you see with degreaser. I'm gonna let that sit for another maybe 7 minutes or so. And I'm gonna come back and surface clean it up and see if I can lighten them up. I'll be back in 3 weeks anyway, you know what I'm saying? So this is a good start. This is a real good start. Let's do a little recap. I'm all wrapped up. Everything's put up. Everything's put back where it was when I got here. Let's do a little recap of the front now that it's pretty much dry, almost. You guys can see a difference between next door neighbors and this one. Lay's Pizza. My favorite stores right next to each other, man. Pizza place and cookie place. Bad combination, boy. And it's crazy because Uber Eats been going crazy at the insomnia cookies. I done seen cars there non-stop, man, after 11 o'clock. All right, guys, so this is the side right here. Everything's looking good, rinsed up. go check out the back side of the building. This is what we're looking like. Bring me a light. Got these lights, you can just hang them up, magnetic. So this is what we're looking like now, man. Look at this. You guys remember how bad it was earlier, man. Yes, sir. It's gonna look better when it dries up. All right, you guys, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the bad lighting in the back. If y'all do enjoy the video, man, y'all did enjoy the video, I should say, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when I put up a new video. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.